The Biz Impact Podcast is proudly brought to you by SAICA, committed to growing impactful businesses in collaboration with our SAICA accredited practitioners. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast and visit our website for more valuable resources.
Take us through in terms of this uptake that is really penetrating the landscape of South Africa. What makes Xero to be so unique and different from any other platforms that are out there?
Okay, so I always say that we are accountants, right?
Yes.
Xero is made not for us. Xero is made for the end user. It's made for the person who is sitting there running a business, whether you are baking cakes, whether you are taking photos as a photographer, whether you're a videographer, whether you're a professional services firm. The software is made for the end user to be able to use, right? And then where the accountant comes in, it's basically to be an advisor. It's like a partnership. So it's not a software solely purposed for accountants. Okay. It's literally a software that you can use, for example, not just necessarily just to run your accounting, processes and your invoicing and your quoting, but it's really about, for example, let's say, I'll make an example. I have a client who is a photographer. And literally, he's automated his entire workflow. So from the time you want to book his services, there's an application that he uses. He schedules you go to his website, you book the, let's say, the photo shoot. The invoice gets generated, it pushes into Xero. You then get, as a client, you get a notification. Here's your invoice, here's the link to pay. You pay it. That information goes back into Xero that now you've paid it. And then basically you then show up for your photo shoot. So it really helps you from a holistic perspective to say, what is the ecosystem that Xero has effectively built around the application to allow business owners to utilize it effectively?
The Biz Impact Podcast is proudly brought to you by SAICA, committed to growing impactful businesses in collaboration with our SAICA accredited practitioners. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast and visit our website for more valuable resources.